We are from KAC 1101C. The topic that we chose to elaborate to you today is about discount. And maybe ask you, what is discount exactly? Hold on, let me put on my glasses before I explain to you. Discount, acknowledged worldwide as a deduction from the usual cost of an item or goods upon purchase. Source, Google. And little did some of us know, discount is actually divided into two: cash discount and trade discount. And trade discount is what we will first present to you in a simpler and colorful way to help you pay more attention to the details and enhance your memorization. Well, I would say we can try. Starting off, the first thing in the list for all of us to know in trade discount is list price, or the short form for it is capital L and P. It is the price of an item which the seller gives to the customers. While here we have the lowercase d, which is the discount rate that was given by the seller to the customers upon their purchase, shown here as the example of discount rate given, which is 10%. In the worksheet, we shall change the percent to decimal. Meanwhile, trade discount or capital D, it is the savings a retailer might receive for his or her purchase. It is the reduction in price offered from the list price to customers on the sales of goods. The formula for this discount is very simple. It is capital D equals to LP times lowercase d, with LP stands for list price and lowercase d stands for the discount rate. For example, the list price for an item is 10,000 ringgit with the discount of 7%. This makes the capital D amounting to 700 after we times 10,000 with 0.07. Now, we have explained to you a couple of things in the video already, but more information is to be shared. Aren't you excited? And did you know that trade discount is also divided into two? Don't worry, we will go to each of the division and explain further. But the first one for us to unfold is about single trade discount. It consists the term NP, or net price, which is price paid after discount. How do we find net price, you asked? Well, don't worry, the formula is very simple and is as shown in the video. It is list price minus capital D. For a quick instance, for better understanding, the list price from the example we showed early on, which is 10,000 ringgit, minus the D that we got from the same example, which is 700 ringgit. After we minus the both of them, it results in 9,300 of net price. It is that simple. Are you ready for the next one? The second component of trade discount that we will go through after this is chain discount. It is a situation when a customer receives more than one discount rate when a purchase is made. Let's say a seller, he gives you several discount rates all at once for buying his goods. What a generous seller! He gives you 10% of discount rate, and then he adds more, which is 7%, and then he adds more, which is 2%. But did you know that the total discount rate that you receive does not equal to 19%? Shocking, isn't it? There is so much more than what is on the surface. But we can find the actual value of the discount rate given using SEDR, single equivalent discount rate. The formula for it is very easy. It is SEDR equals to 1 minus times 1 minus lowercase d times 1 minus lowercase d, according to how many discount rate that was given. Each lowercase d is for different value of discount rate. Now, we are almost at the end of the topic. The last thing in the list for us to show you is about the next fragment of discount, which is cash discount. Cash discount is given as an incentive for paying the debt early or on time. It is received as you pay for a debt settlement. As shown in the video right now is an example of how the discount is coded on the invoice. The number 2 indicates the discount rate that will be received by the customer if the payment is settled within 10 days, as the number stated besides the slash. While N30, read as net 30, acts as a reminder that the bill must be paid within 30 days of the invoice date regardless. With that, sadly, our short adventure on venturing this topic has come to an end. We hope you got a better understanding and that we had covered everything about this topic and presented it to you in a fun way. We also hope that we become a help to you even for a little, especially if you are a visual or a verbal style of learner. Thank you for watching!
La 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 la, I love you like la la.